ABC Kinderteach presents The Doorbell Rang, written by Pat Hutchins. "I've made some cookies for tea," said Ma. "Good," said Victoria and Sam. "We're starving." "Share them between yourselves," said Ma. "I made plenty." Wow, that looks like a lot of cookies for 2 people. "That's 6 each," said Sam and Victoria. "They look as good as Grandma's," said Victoria. "They smell as good as Grandma's," said Sam. "No one makes cookies like Grandma," said Ma as the door bell rang. So they each get 6 cookies. I wonder who could be at the door. Maybe it's Grandma. It was Tom and Hannah from next door. "Come in," said Ma. "You can share the cookies." Let's see. There are now 1, 2, 3, 4 kids to share the 12 cookies. I wonder how many do they each get? "That's 3 each," said Sam and Victoria. "They smell as good as your Grandma's," said Tom. "And look as good," said Hannah. "No one makes cookies like Grandma," said Ma as the door bell rang. Well, it must be Grandma this time. It wasn't Grandma last time, but I bet it's Grandma this time. Nope, not Grandma. It was Peter and his little brother. "Come in," said Ma. "You can share the cookies." Let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kids and only 12 cookies. So I wonder how many cookies they each get. Boy, it's getting very crowded in here. "That's 2 each," said Victoria and Sam. "They look as good as your Grandma's," said Peter, "and smell as good." "Nobody makes cookies like Grandma," said Ma as the doorbell rang. Well, they have a table full of kids, so this has to be Grandma, right? This has to be. Nope, not Grandma. It was Joy and Simon with their 4 cousins. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more people. "Come in," said Ma. "You can share the cookies." So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 people and 12 cookies. So how many does each kid get? Well, we'll have to find out. "That's 1 each," said Sam and Victoria. "They smell as good as your Grandma's," said Joy. "And look as good," said Simon. "No one makes cookies like Grandma," said Ma as the door bell rang. So they each have 1 cookie and somebody else is at the door. I don't think it's Grandma because she doesn't seem like she's coming, so it must be more kids. What are they going to do about the cookies? There's not enough cookies for everybody. Oh no, what's going to happen? Well, let's go see what she does. Maybe she's going to make some more. And rang. Boy, why are they not answering the door? "Oh dear," said Ma as the children stared at the cookies on their plates. Perhaps you'd better eat them before we open the door. We'll wait, said Sam. Oh, now that looks like a grandma there, doesn't it? It was Grandma with an enormous, or a very big, tray of cookies. How nice to have so many friends to share them with, said Grandma. It's a good thing I made a lot. Wow, she made a lot of cookies. The cat is on the table. Ooh, I don't think I want the cat on the table where I'm eating my cookies. I don't know about that. And no one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma as the doorbell rang. Oh, is there going to be more people? I don't know.